Hey guys, Bobcat 325 here. What's going on? So I'm at the my John Deere 190E, and yep, she's all cleaned up, all serviced and painted it up. New paint from John Deere, and I got the paint for the undercarriage too. So I painted, you know, the special color they got for the undercarriage for John Deere for this year and model. And then I've used the machine on a job since I painted it, but and then there's the upper part. Yep, I taped off all the lettering and, you know, the handles and windows and caps and all that stuff, and painted it all up so it looks good. Yeah, like I said, service ready to go. So yeah, I'm on another clearing job with it now, but yeah, I figured I'd show it. It looks real good. Yeah, so now it's how it's supposed to be. In the back, the person I got it from, he had excavation across the back on the counterweight in big letters, but yeah, so I got rid of that and sanded the back, and I sanded a bunch of areas on it and prepped it and everything, and then taped everything off and painted it. Just came out good. Yeah, I'm up. The other thing is I hit over 500 subscribers now, and yeah, I'm psyched. For me, that's great. Appreciate it, and I keep getting more, so that's great. Yeah, I got a bunch of videos I gotta upload, and got some other jobs coming up, so there'll be a lot more videos. But yeah, so I'm up over the 500 mark, so hopefully it keeps going. I want to get up near 1,000 subscribers now. It's my new goal. But I'm real thankful, and I appreciate everybody watching and subscribing. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks. We'll see you on the next video.